Let's talk about how to think about pricing your event. Everyone's always interested in this one. Ticket sales are the top resource for revenue for around 70% of event creators. So how can you choose pricing that doesn't scare off event goers, but also adequately represents the value of your event and nets you a positive profit? Some ways to strategize around this are to calculate your bottom line, know your value, and research events in similar markets. So when calculating your bottom line, you need to think about how much money you'll need to be profitable. The only way to answer that is to understand how much money you're going to spend. And while budgeting isn't exactly the funnest activity, it's critical to improving your event's return on investment. This is where having an overall event budget is table stakes. Your event budget should reference historical data where possible, and it should map out all of your expenses down to the detail so you can make informed decisions. Using a simple ROI equation, reconsider investments that won't have significant return and edit your spend from there. So knowing your value. When thinking about how to set ticket prices, attendee perception is key. If you've hosted this event in the past and tickets sold out immediately, there could be room to raise pricing a touch. If you've discounted tickets and they're still not selling, it could indicate that your pricing is still above your attendees' perceived value. So outside of historical reference, the most important piece here is to identify the line items at your event that drive value for your attendees and to benchmark your value against your competition. One definitive way to get this feedback is to poll your attendees post-event to learn where you're providing value and where you're falling short. Last but not least, do your research. Whether you're a first-time creator or you've got some experiences under your belt, it's always a good idea to explore similar events in the same or comparable markets to help inform how you price.